While sailing on Celebrity Edge, choose the Retreat, an exquisite onboard experience that redefines luxury and sets the bar higher than ever before. Guests of the Retreat can experience dining at its best in Luminae. Complimentary and reserved exclusively for guests of the Retreat, Luminae features sumptuous flavors from a menu that changes daily and includes signature dishes created by our Global Culinary Ambassador, Chef Daniel Boulud. The chic atmosphere of the Retreat Sundeck rivals any high-end resort. This spacious outdoor lounge area makes it easy to unplug with plush, stylish furniture, a refreshing pool, hot tub and dedicated retreat attendants to tend to your every whim. The Retreat Lounge offers seemingly endless ocean views from both sides of the ship. Here, guests of the Retreat have access to their dedicated concierge and can enjoy complimentary beverages, gourmet bites, and a comfortable place to read a book or simply kick back and relax. The iconic suite is the most luxurious and largest suite in our fleet. This expansive suite is situated just above the bridge and offers the same breathtaking views as the captain's helm. The private terrace features a private hot tub, cabana, and plenty of open space for lounging and enjoying the sweeping ocean views. The penthouse suite is an expansive 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom suite with large floor-to-ceiling glass windows that promise unbelievable ocean views from every room. Your personal retreat host will be at hand to cater for your every need. The Edge Villas bring modern sophistication together with a classic design to create the feeling of a private oasis at sea. These extra luxurious villas are perfect for couples or families with breathtaking 2-story suites, outward-facing views, a private plunge pool on the spacious veranda, and direct walkout access to the Retreat Sundeck. In the Royal Suite, you'll enjoy the highest level of luxury and personal service on board, with an abundance of space and spectacular views. This suite is made with comfort, style, and function in mind, with a separate living room and 2 bathrooms for your convenience. It's time you got the celebrity treatment with a stay in our world-class Celebrity Suite. Unwind in your elegant and spacious living room as you gaze out into the evening sunset through your floor-to-ceiling glass doors that lead out to the veranda. Sleep like the stars on your king-size bed with a cashmere mattress. Admire the unbeatable views from the rejuvenating morning sun during your stay in a luxurious Sky Suite. With plenty of room to relax, plus a beautiful veranda and living area, you'll feel like you're in your own personal paradise. Our Aqua Sky Suites combine our well-being-inspired aqua-class experience with exclusive spaces, services, and amenities of the retreat to leave you more renewed than ever.